I need 6 cheap car mods that'll instantly make my car faster. Bet. Let's see if we can make my car into a little rocket ship. Okay. First up, cold air intake or panel filter upgrade. K&N or AEM. Sounds like it's giving my car a lung transplant. Cooler air means more power. Oh wait, that's facts. It's like giving my car a breath of fresh mountain air. Okay. It costs around $50 to $200. I guess it depends on the car though. Estimated power increase, around 5 to 15 horsepower. Not too shabby. Alright, I'll give this mod a 4 out of 5. Only because you generally need a tune to make this upgrade 100% efficient. Next is brakes. I mean, wait, this isn't a power upgrade though, but I feel like it's hella important. Before I go fast, I need to make sure I can stop. Upgrading brake lines and pads. Brembo or EBC. Sounds fancy. The car's gonna have better shoes than I do. Costs around $100 to $300 for some pads and lines. Enhances stopping power and pedal feel. Crucial for handling speed safely. But imagine driving fast and realizing my car stops like I'm using Fred Flintstone brakes. Performance exhaust. Alright. Reduces back pressure. Apparently, cars don't like to feel constipated either. Orla or magnet flow. Cost around $300 to $500. Okay. Estimated power increase around 5 to 10 horsepower. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up. Reducing back pressure lets exhaust gases exit more freely. Didn't know that. It's like clearing a traffic jam for your engine. Engine doesn't have to work as hard to push exhaust out, which means more power to the wheels. Plus, who doesn't love a deep, throaty growl from the exhaust? Next, ECU tuning. Now we're talking. Tweaking the brain of the car, Cobb or a Honda. Just imagine my car getting a mini PhD in horsepower. Congrats! Your car is now a certified genius in speed. Costs around $300 to $600. Also, I guess it depends on the car. Could cost more. Estimated power increase? I guess that's anywhere from 10 to 50 horsepower. But that wholly depends on your car again. You can see up to 200 to 300 horsepower increases. So the ECU or engine control unit is basically the car's brain. It controls the air-fuel mixture, ignition timing, and some other important stuff. By tuning it, you can optimize these settings for more power and better performance. Your estimated power, it depends on a lot of things, but supporting mods are necessary. Depending on your tune, you might need supporting mods. It could be a downpipe, intercooler, intake, exhaust, all of those combined. You need to research your platform. I'll give this upgrade a 5 out of 5. Lightweight wheels. Losing weight isn't just for people. N-Key, OZ Racing. Reducing unsprung weight improves handling and acceleration. Cost around $400 to $1,200 for a set. Handling and acceleration boost. Priceless. Last but not least, high performance tires. I know it's not a performance upgrade, but they're very important. Michelin Pilot Sports, Bridgestone Potenza, better grip, better handling. It costs around $500 to $1,000 for a set. Estimated power increase? 0. But with great power comes great responsibility, or in this case, great tires. I give this upgrade a 5 out of 5. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment what you think the best upgrade is.